In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect two monitors to one PC on Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting two monitors to a single PC is extremely simple. Having a dual monitor setup can be incredibly useful for both productivity and gaming. So the only requirements for this is that you need an HDMI or DP cable. You can choose whichever option you prefer. If your GPU and your monitor support DisplayPort, I would highly recommend using it instead of HDMI. DisplayPort can usually achieve higher resolutions at even higher refresh rates than HDMI, but both will work. So choose according to preference, according to price. It doesn't matter. So once you have the proper cable, one for each monitor, it's time to set them up with the proper connections. Look at the back of your PC. You will see various different HDMI or DisplayPort ports available here at the back. If you don't have a dedicated GPU, then this slot will be covered and you won't have these ports, and you will only have access to the ports available on your motherboard. But you should always prioritize these ports first. So if you have a dedicated GPU and you see these ports below the motherboard I/O shield, always use these first. If you don't have them for whatever reason or they aren't working, then you can use the one on your motherboard, but this should only be done as a last resort. So now it's time to establish a connection. If you look at the back or below your monitor, you will see clearly labeled ports. So you will have the standard HDMI ports and then DP as I've mentioned earlier. All that you have to do now is grab one end of the cable and plug it into your monitor, and then the other one goes into your PC. There is no secret to this. It's as simple as matching the connections. And of course, you can mix and match. Let's say, for example, you want to use one HDMI cable and one DisplayPort. That is okay. You can use two DisplayPort cables, one for each monitor, two HDMI cables, one for each monitor. It doesn't matter as long as the monitor is being connected into the PC. With this done, restart your PC and the monitors should be detected as long as they are receiving power plugged into a power outlet, of course. Now go into the Windows settings, display, and you will find both monitors here. You can position them however you prefer, so you can have a vertical setup like this, horizontal, you can place it at the left, you can place it at the right. And it's important to align them properly because this will determine how your mouse moves across the screens. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two monitors to one PC Windows 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.